Hey everyone, hello to MB's Teachings. Today's video is based on another modal auxiliary verbs. Modals Part 7 Episode 1. So let's get started. Use of would. Would is the past form of will. To mean past form. To mean past form অতীতকাল বোঝাতে I said she would come soon. I said she would come soon. To mean wish. To mean wish ইচ্ছে বোঝাতে I would like to be a doctor. I would like to be a doctor. To mean polite request. To mean polite request বিনম্র অনুরোধ বোঝাতে Would you please help me? Would you please help me? To mean invitation. Someone likes to invite somebody else. Then expressions should be made in this way. To mean invitation আমন্ত্রণ বোঝাতে Would you prefer tea? Would you prefer tea? To mean past habit. অতীতের অভ্যাস বোঝাতে অতীতের অভ্যাস বোঝাতে I would wait for you after office. I would wait for you after office. To mean any habit. To mean any habit যে কোনো অভ্যাস বোঝাতে To mean any habit যে কোনো অভ্যাস বোঝাতে Rina would spend hours in the mobile. Rina would spend hours in the mobile. To mean repetition. To mean repetition বারবার বলতে এই অর্থ বোঝাতে আমরা ব্যবহার করি She would keep telling the same stories. She would keep telling the same stories. Next one is to mean probability. To mean probability সম্ভাবনা বোঝাতে That would be his mother. That would be his mother. To mean determination. To mean determination দৃঢ়তা বোঝাতে I would not surrender to evil forces. I would not surrender to evil forces. Next is and the last one to mean certainty নিশ্চয়তা বোঝাতে Nobody would agree with that idea. Nobody would agree with that idea. So these are 10 examples given in respect to clarify the very modal auxiliary verb would, and I would advise the students to practice again and again about the usefulness of the very word would. Thank you viewers, happy watching.